Today we're gonna be making dill popcorn. Oh. Today we're gonna be making dill popcorn. This is a gold medal seasoning. It's called creamy dill. Oh yeah, it definitely smells dill. Take a look at that, all the seasonings and spices in there. Lots of really good stuff. Oh yeah, that smells really, really good. We're gonna pop our popcorn. We're gonna use butter, coconut oil, kernels, and then this dill seasoning. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. While this is heating up, just a reminder that down in the description are links to the Popcorn Genius recipe book, so you can get yours today absolutely free. Also, down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today as well. You can really smell that butteriness of that oil. These kernels are heating up. When we're seasoning this, we're gonna be using just the right ratios of seasoning to popcorn. So stick around and be sure to check that out. All right, we're starting to pop. Oh yeah, we're really starting to pop now. Oh yeah, we're popping now. Let's give this a dump. Okay, we're stirring this up. We're gonna now transition this popcorn into this food safe bag that we have. Let's get this in there. Okay, we have all of our kernels in there. They're still nice and hot. We have 2/3 of a cup. We have probably a little bit more in here, but generally speaking, 2/3 of a cup to about 3/4 of a cup. We have our dill seasoning in here. So let's sprinkle that on. Oh yeah. Now let's close this up, give it a shake. Oh yeah, you can feel it's still hot. You can really smell the dill. Oh yeah. All right, let's open this up. Look how nice and seasoned that is. Look at that, look how good that looks. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, oh yeah. This is really good. It's nice and salty. You definitely taste the dill flavor. Reminds me of pickles for sure. That dill flavor is so good. That's awesome. If you like flavors like these savory flavors, check out the link at the top for more savory flavors. This is such a great, great popcorn flavor. So remember, you too can make popcorn just like this. You just gotta get out there and get popping.